Hi guys, today's recipe is Besan Chilla, also called as veg omelette. Let me show you how I made it. I've taken 1 cup of besan, gram flour, to which I'll be adding some chopped capsicum, some spring onion, the green part of the spring onion. You can also add finely chopped chillis. Here I've taken some ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to add other masalas like chili powder because I'm not using chopped chilies. I'm using chili powder, some salt, some haldi, turmeric, and some cumin seeds. And here I just added that chicken masala that I keep adding to everything, but you can totally skip it. Now you have to mix this with enough water. I've taken 1 tall glass here, and this is all the water I'll be using to mix this batter. Keep stirring well so that you don't get lumps, and this batter should be somewhere between thick and thin batter. It shouldn't be as runny as the neer dosa batter, nor it should be so thick that it coats your pakoras. It should be somewhere in between. Don't forget to add lots of coriander because that will bring out the flavor. You can also add shredded carrots and cabbage and whatever vegetables you like. You can add palak, methi, make it healthier, your choice. So I'm just going to mix it for 1 more minute, and if the consistency is fine, I'm just going to taste it and see if I need some salt, and I'll add accordingly. Now to fry this chilla, you don't have to oil your pan first, okay? You just have to keep it on heat, and once it's hot enough, then you have to spread the batter like you would do for a dosa. And once you see that the top surface of this chilla is not wet anymore, you know that you have to add some oil or ghee on the sides to make it crispy. It will also help you flip the dosa. Okay, your batter when you pour on the pan shouldn't be too thin like neer dosa. Okay, it should be a medium consistency. This is a beautiful color, and this is how your chilla should look from the top. Now this is the second chilla, and in this I will show you how it looks in the bottom as well. When you flip the dosa, you add some more ghee or oil, very little, okay? You can even make it without it, but it'll just give you that added flavor and crispiness. See? Okay, once more, you mix the batter well. You make, the shape doesn't matter, okay? Don't judge me here. Just spread the batter, let the top part cook, add some oil, and then you flip it. This is a beautiful color, let it cook. Then you add some more oil on the side. I've used ghee though. And this is how it should look at the bottom. I mean, bottom will not be as brown as this. It'll be yellow, but it'll have those brown marks like how it is in chapatis, like that. See. Now cook this on medium to low medium flame. Only when you pour the batter initially, your pan should be hot enough, but after that you have to keep your pan on medium flame so that the atta cooks through, otherwise it will taste kacha. Okay, and that's it, your chilla is ready. All the details of this recipe will be mentioned in the description box below. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and follow me on Instagram at experimental recipes. Bye.